currently 2 p.m. and I finally have managed to get myself out of bed, to take a shower, to do my makeup, and to make myself some breakfast now that it is 2 p.m. I am currently on my period. It's like day 1 technically. I kind of got my period yesterday, but like this is always the worst day, the day that it actually like hits you. I'm not doing good. Like my head hurts, my back hurts, my stomach hurts, my whole body just hurts. But there's some things that I want to do today, and I kind of came to the conclusion that the only way I'm gonna find motivation is if I'm filming it. So welcome to this little period day in my life where all I want to do is lay on the couch and put on a movie and not do anything, but unfortunately we have things to do. This already made my day better. Hi guys, I just got into my car. I'm debating where I want to go currently because there's a few different places that there's one place that I need to go. Oh my gosh. I have to go to the grocery store because I currently have 0 food to eat, and then I also kind of want to go to Crumbl because I haven't had Crumbl in forever. Fun fact about me, I've actually never gone into a Crumbl establishment. I've only ever gotten Crumbl or eaten Crumbl when somebody else has bought it for me or they've had it at their house and I've like had a bite of their cookie. I feel like a lot of girls can relate to having period cravings and wanting a little sweet treat, and I feel like Crumbl just might be the perfect thing to help me get through this day. I know I'm being so dramatic right now, like, oh my gosh, I need to get through this day, but like it's just one of those like bad days. I'm taking some ibuprofen because I have a headache and I can't deal with this. I think I'm gonna go to Crumbl and then go grocery shopping, and I actually might stop in Best Buy after I go to Crumbl and before the grocery store because last time I went to look at some cameras, they didn't have the ones that I wanted to look at on display. My parking ramp was actually closed the last couple of days, like over this last weekend it was closed because it was under construction, and I had to park in a parking garage that was like 10 minutes away from my apartment. That might be a little dramatic. It was only a couple blocks away, but they're like big blocks and it took me a while to get to my car, so I just literally didn't drive anywhere. I think I left like twice. Okay guys, I got my Crumbl cookies. I just got the mini 3-pack because I don't know, like I don't know what to do with all of those cookies, you know what I mean? Like I don't need hella cookies. I'm also like really strange in the fact that I don't have a super big sweet tooth. Like both of my parents love sweets. They've always loved sweets. My mom always has like a million different desserts at her house. Why is my camera about to die? I didn't bring my backup battery either. That's so annoying. Whatever, my mom always has like a million sweets at her house. Every time I go there for dinner, she's offering me like 14 different desserts, and I usually just pass because I don't crave desserts that much. I don't like cookies that much. I don't like cake. I really only like ice cream, but Crumbl cookies are really good, and right now I am definitely craving something sweet because of probably my period. But let's see what they look like. Oh, kind of ruined them. Here's what they look like. I don't really remember which is which or what I got. Actually, I do. That's a lie. There's a regular chocolate chip one, and then there's this like Oreo Crumbl one, and then this is supposed to be like Biscoff, like the Biscoff cookies flavored. They also had a lemon cake one this week, but they didn't have the option to get that in the mini. They only had like the big ones, and I didn't want to pay $6 for a cookie, so I just got these 3. I think I'm gonna wait a second to try them just because I want to get over to Best Buy and just get that over with. Okay, that was a quick little trip. As you saw, I was pointing to the camera that was just missing from the display. I don't know why that is. Like, why don't you have the camera there? So annoying. But I'm gonna go to the grocery store. My camera is officially flashing red, so I guess I'll be vlogging on my phone at the grocery store. So obviously I got the crumble cookies that I still need to try. I got a salmon, I got a steak, I got some ham, some Swiss cheese, and some cubed cheddar. I got some cashews, I got this ginger vinaigrette. If you guys are following me on TikTok, you might have seen how I made my own ginger vinaigrette. I followed a recipe to make the ginger dressing that you get at hibachi restaurants, like on that house salad before you get your meal. And it actually turned out really well, but I saw this at Aldi and I was like, if this is good, this is a lot easier than making it homemade. It's obviously healthier probably if I make it homemade, but it's just, I don't know, I wanted to try it. I got some asparagus, some lettuce, some of my everything sourdough. I got some flour tortillas. I got some goldfish just because I haven't had goldfish in a while. I got some green grapes, got some carrots. I got some pasture raised eggs. I got a new type of kombucha I've never tried. I have some kombucha in my fridge, but I'm pretty sure it's bad. And I just feel like on your period, you know, your stomach's a little funky. I can help my gut out by drinking some kombucha. And then I got this 12-pack of Arizona iced tea in a can. Okay guys, I'm finally gonna try these crumble cookies. I'm also gonna be filming a little TikTok review. That's why I'm gonna be looking at my phone and also why my phone is set up like this. But you guys will get the behind the scenes of that. So obviously here's the box. I already showed you the 3 cookies that I got. I honestly have only had crumble a couple times in my life. I definitely have had their chocolate chip cookie, but here's a little reminder since I haven't had it in a while. It's delicious. I don't really know what to say. Now for this Oreo cookie crumble one, I'm so excited for this. This is bomb. It's like a cream cheese frosting, which I love cream cheese frosting. It's like my favorite frosting. Okay, now for this final one. This one came chilled. It was supposed to be chilled. It's no longer chilled, so we'll see if it's still good. There's so many different flavors happening, but it's super good. Okay, there we go. Thanks for watching. Going to my dad's house because I have, I think, a package or 2 to pick up, and then he also got me a big thing of paper plates from Sam's Club, and I think there might be something else, I don't remember, but we're going to Dave's house. You're gonna see Dave's house for the first time in so long, like 6 months, 7 months. It's like raining out and I'm not loving that, but it's really nice out and I'm happy about that because it had been like kind of shitty for a few days and I was worried that fall was coming. But it's nice out again, and this week it's gonna be like 80 degrees towards the end of it, which is so nice. My car, I got her cleaned yesterday and I went to a new place and they did such a good job. I mean, they didn't. The machine thing that you drive through did a good job. Oh, so pretty. So beautiful. Guys, here's my room. Haven't seen it in so long. So yeah, as some of you know, at my apartment, I have like that second bedroom that I currently just have like my vanity in, and then like I just have like a bunch of junk in there. Like it's kind of just like a storage room. I really have been wanting, I mean, I've been living there since March and I still haven't gone around to it. It's just been like overwhelming, but I've been wanting to do something more with it and like actually decorate it a little bit and like make it a cute get ready with me room for like TikToks and just when I'm like filming YouTube videos. Like I just want it to look cuter because right now it's just like a blank white room. So I kind of want to bring this bookshelf and be able to set up like PR and like organize like makeup that I haven't used yet. Maybe decorate it, like have some purses on there, just make it look cutesy. And then I want to have my clothing rack next to it with like cute clothes hanging, just so that there's something to look at besides just like a blank white wall. So I think later in the week I'm gonna have my boyfriend come over here with me and we're gonna put this in the back of his truck. I'm pretty sure it'll fit. I don't know. I'm like 5'8" and this is it next to me, so probably 6 feet. Also, another thing I haven't haven't talked to you about, but I've been thinking about is I kind of want to do some redecorating of my living room. Not like fully, like I don't want to like start over, but there's a bookshelf I found at World Market the other day that I want to order, and then also I think I want to change up the color scheme just a little bit. So actually when I get back to my apartment, I'm gonna make myself some dinner, and then I'm gonna sit down and order that bookshelf, and then I think I'm gonna browse on like a few different sites and just look for other decor and like other pillows and stuff for the living room. Hey guys, I have my dinner here. I have my steak, I made some green beans, and I also have an over easy egg. My entire TikTok For You page right now is people trying the carnivore diet meal or whatever it's called. I don't know. It's basically steak, an egg, and an avocado. Like that is what these people are eating every single day for like brunch or for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I love an over easy egg. I love dipping bread into it, but they're dipping the steak into it, and I had to just make it to try. Oh my goodness. We honestly really good. This is fire. Let me try some green beans. I steamed the green beans, and then after I took the steak out of the pot, I put the green beans in to get some of like the butter and the like juiciness of the steak. And then I also cooked the egg in the pan that I cooked the steak in, so it's super flavorful. Hi everybody, I ate my dinner, and then I did all of my dishes that I got dirty while making dinner, and also some dishes that I had in the sink already. I just switched my laundry over to the dryer because I forgot to do that earlier, and now I'm gonna order that bookshelf from World Market that I was talking about. I also have this shoe rack thing that I want to put over by my laundry room door. I need to order that. That's on Amazon. Okay, I'm gonna try the one that's supposed to be chilled now that it's actually chilled, and I'll let you know how it is. Here she is. She looks so sweet. You can see my teeth marks from the bite I took. Oh god. There's caramel on it, like on the top underneath the frosting, and it's really hard. I don't know if I think my fridge actually is just like too cold. I have it turned to like the standard fridge temperature, but sometimes my food literally freezes. I actually preferred this when it wasn't chilled. Let's see how the Oreo one is chilled. This one is good cold. Oh my gosh, these are banging. I'm gonna end this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had a lot of fun, and I feel like you guys really helped me be just a little bit more productive today. I really didn't do a whole lot, but if I wasn't filming this video, I probably would have sat in my bed all day and just rotted. And I feel like when it comes to being on your period, I know some people are super blessed and they barely have any cramps, they barely have any symptoms, like they feel great. I mean, maybe not great, but like they don't really get affected by their periods. I kind of have gone in and out of phases over the span of since I got my period, and like some periods are really bad, and some periods like I don't even notice that I'm on my period. Today was definitely one of those days where I woke up just feeling terrible, like everything hurt, like I was talking about when I was eating breakfast. But I feel like when you have those really bad periods, and also this does not go for the girls that have like PCOS or, you know, endometriosis or like horrible periods, like ovarian cysts. If you have like actual excruciating pain, this doesn't go for you. Like I fully get if you just want to sit in bed and rot. It helps so much when you distract yourself from like just being miserable and like going out and doing things no matter what it is. Like I feel like it makes it so much better. Like I honestly forgot about the fact that I was on my period once I actually got up and started doing things. So I feel like that's like my biggest tip. If you struggle with like whatever, just like force yourself to do something, because it will really help you get through those tough days. I sometimes just start acting like I'm a motivational speaker, and I don't know why I just run with it, but I do. So sorry about that. Okay, I'm ending the video. Love you, and I will see you next week. Bye-bye.